Hi traders, it's Tomek here from Nikos Trading Academy and welcome in my weekly live trading room results. Those are the trades which I discuss in our live trading room. Also, some of them sometimes I take separately without discussing, but always I use the same approach. So the first is silver, which is ongoing very nice because as you can see, we took the trade here on the 1 hour chart with a small stop loss. Our target was here, it was 6-1 on the previous top. Price broke this, and now I think we have even we double it. Yes, so we I think it's like around 10-1 around this zone. So it's a very good trade. We don't have any other resistance level, so this is pushing up. So I will manage this pair as as I did before, so I will just simply follow the 36 EMA and we'll see how price will develop. Of course, if you are interested to jump in further, you need to wait for retracement and then of course late entries as a continuation. As you can see here, we took this trade here with the tiny stop loss. It was somewhere around this area, so our stop loss was around 350 points. Now you see it's 4,000 points, so basically it's even a little bit more than 10-1, but more or less 10-1. Stop loss is locked only here. It's only because price shoot up like crazy on Friday. Yes, we were sitting on the resistance, so I just wanted to see how it behaves. It just broke very fast, and now we have around 10-1. Of course, you can close the trade if you are satisfied with your results, because you know, if price decide to retrace, you will lose some of your profits, but it can also continue because we don't have any resistance. We never know, so this is your call what you want to do. Next is gold. Also, gold reached our target, which was this area of the resistance. If we look for the weekly chart, no, we don't have anything right now, so it's still making new highs. So or we'll get reaction and price decide to retrace. We have already this powerful up move, so bigger retracement is possible. But also here, I managed this on the 4 hour chart. I took this 4 hour chart long 1 to 3. The first option, a little bit aggressive, which was not easy to spot, was here. So this was your first opportunity to take. I took second one here because it was more visible. It was a little bit cleaner option. We also have trend line like this, and I trail stop loss below the 36 EMA. And again, same situation. Price reached this top, which gave us I don't exactly remember, but I think it was around 3 or 4-1 around this zone. So or you close partially if it's possible for you, or you can close everything and look for another opportunities to take, or like I will do, I will just follow the 36 EMA and the price action on the 4 hour chart, and we will see how much we can get from this. Another trade which was taken on the Renko chart is Aussie yen trade, and we took it here on the M12 Renko. Again, this was combination M24 one trendline breakout with M12 1 to 3. Of course, this is summary because the trade is still ongoing right now. Our stop loss was around 70 pips here on this pair. Right now, the third lot is locked as a 90 pips, so it's a little bit more than 1-1. 36 is of course my EMA, which I follow, but the main goal is still here, so we can achieve around it will be like 3-1 on the bonus lot, 3 or 4-1, even 4-1 up to here. Yes, on your bonus lot. So the first target, second target, and 4-1 on bonus. So this is basically my main area where I would like to see what to do. And again, I will manage this here on the 12 on the same setting which I took this trade. Another trade, a new one, is USDCAD. This was taken because we had a trendline breakout. However, this is a little bit aggressive trade because we don't have clean direction on the weekly chart. It's like you can see here that it's like a range. Price reach this area, as you can see, the first, second target. The main goal is here, so if really price would like to drop, we have potential of 450 pip move. We had this daily trendline breakout, price broke also 36 CMA. We had also this wedge. If you pay attention for 4-hour chart time frame, we have this wedge here, so this was breakout. I took it on the 1-hour chart, but also 4-hour chart give you a setup, as I took this. So this was aggressive for me because this was just breakout on the 1-hour chart. I put stop loss a little bit higher just in case if price want to make a little bit retracement and then drop, so that's why my stop loss was a little bit higher than usual. In this case we also have trend line. So this was for me good indication to look for sells. Normally I should play stop loss here, but like you said, I wanted to protect. Also the stop loss, as you can see right now, is above the 4-hour chart 36, and price is making 4-hour chart short 1 to 3 basically made. This would be your entry. And stop loss would be more or less around the same area where I have it on the when I put it on the 1-hour chart. And now we have to wait. Yes, we have our targets. In between, of course, we have area where price might to stop, but basically if it's possible for us to manage, this is where we want to see the price. And the question, of course, how price will move. Sometimes you see we have big drops. Sometimes we have situations that price will simply move, retrace. So we will be looking for another opportunities if this happen. And the last one, very aggressive trade, is on the New Zealand dollar US dollar. It's aggressive, very aggressive, because it's late, and I took it on the 1-hour chart. So if we look for the weekly chart, you see that price is breaking 36. We have the strong momentum, and it's pointing up. If we look for trend line, we have this trend line which might and this is where price might to go. We also have this line here, so it's like we are in the wedge. If we go to daily chart, our daily trend line was broken, price stopped here. Now we had this momentum, price broke it. Area of the resistance is here, so it's around our second target. Of course, I prefer always to get some retracements and then look for possible scenarios, but in this case we didn't get. Yes, as you can see, price just went up, so I could wait for 4-hour chart retracement back to this 36 and look for entries, but I took it also to show you late scenarios. So of course for me it was it's always better to mix this entry with 5-minute chart, because this is very steep. But as you can see, I took it on the 1-hour chart. This is still holding. Stop loss was a little bit low, lower again to protect the position. Right now what I will do, I will cut the stop loss and I will bring stop loss here, so it will be not full losing trade in case if price decide to retrace on the 4-hour chart. This is how you can also trade, like trying to take first setup on the 1-hour chart, then if price will kick you out, look for 4-hour chart entry. This is very aggressive because of the steep scenario. I always prefer to get something here on the 1-hour chart to grab the move. If I see bigger move, then I prefer to see retracement, but it's also possible to take it if you see a very strong momentum on the higher time frames. And I saw this strong momentum, so I said okay, let's see. Of course here low risk because it's late. So that's all what we have. Definitely we also had some opportunities on DAX to trade in the retracement, but unfortunately I'm not at home right now, so I also trade less, but whenever I have something, of course I will keep you updated. So thanks a lot, wish you a great Sunday, and we hear soon. Bye.